Hi, I'm Rochelle Lawyer, Vice President of Integrated Security Solutions at Allied Universal. Welcome to Busting Security Myths, a series where we unpack common misconceptions about the security industry. Today's myth is one I hear a lot. Technology is going to replace human security guards. Let's talk about why that's not the case. With all the advancements in AI, robotics, and remote monitoring, it's easy to assume that people are being replaced. And yes, technology is a powerful tool, but the myth is this, that it can take the place of trained security professionals. The reality is, we don't see technology as a replacement. We see it as a force multiplier, helping human security professionals be even more effective. Our teams use real-time reporting tools, remote video monitoring, license plate readers, and other advanced platforms. But at the core, you still need trained individuals to make decisions, respond to unpredictable situations, and interact with people in real time. Technology gives us insight, people bring the judgment. At Allied Universal, we focus on integrating people, technology, and data in a way that enhances security, not replaces it. We call it integrated security, and it's built around collaboration between smart tech and smart professionals. So no, technology isn't replacing the human element in security. It's helping to strengthen it. When used together, people and tech are more powerful, more responsive, and more adaptable than either one could be alone. If you want to learn more about how we're helping to integrate technology into real-world security solutions, visit AUS.com. And stay tuned, we've got more busting security myths coming soon.